In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We'll walk through how to connect an appointment request form in Jotform to Microsoft Excel using the built-in integrations and a ready-made template. By the end, your form responses will flow neatly into an Excel file, organized the way you want. Start by opening your form in the Jotform form builder. If you're already logged in, you can access your form from your dashboard and make sure you're on the builder view, not the submissions table. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your form fields and the top navigation bar across the page. Next, look to the top of the builder and choose Settings. This takes you from editing the questions to controlling how the form behaves behind the scenes. Settings is where you manage things like emails, conditions, and in this case, app connections. Inside Settings, find and open Integrations. This section shows the apps and services you can connect to your form. It may display a gallery of popular apps, but there's also a search field to get you to what you need faster. In the search bar, type Excel. This filters the list so you can quickly spot the Microsoft Excel integration. Searching keeps you from scrolling through the entire library and helps avoid clicking the wrong app. When you see Microsoft Excel, click it to open the integration panel. Here you'll see options tailored to sending your form data into an Excel file. If you're new to this, don't worry. Jotform makes it straightforward. Now choose the template you want to use. Templates are pre-built spreadsheet layouts that define how your form responses will be organized into columns. Picking the right one is important because it sets the structure of your Excel file. If your form is an appointment request, look for a template that includes fields like name, contact details, preferred date and time, and notes. If your form collects additional details, select a template that closely matches those fields. You can always adjust formatting or add sheets within Excel later, but starting with a good template saves time and keeps your data tidy from the start. That's the full flow. Open your form in the builder, go to Settings, open Integrations, search for Excel, choose Microsoft Excel, and select the template that best fits your form. Once the template is selected, your form is set up to channel data into a structured Excel file for easy tracking, reporting, and sharing. If you ever update your form fields, revisit this area to ensure your Excel layout still matches your needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother workflow with Jotform and Excel.